How to fix if your Android is running slow. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Sometimes a simple restart can clear temporary files and free up memory. Simply hold the power button on your device. Now swipe towards restart and restart your device. Second step is simply uninstall unused application. You need to make sure to remove application you don't use. So simply head towards settings. Look for apps and tap on it. Tap app management. From here you can easily select the unnecessary application that you don't use and then tap and hold on it. And now simply tap on uninstall button and now tap on OK button. Step 3, you need to make sure your Android is running the latest version. For that, go to Settings application. Tap on search bar and type in Update. You will see list of updates. Look for software updates, and if there is any software updates, you need to run the latest version by downloading and installing it on your device. Now check if your Android is running fast or not. If not yet, delete large files or move them to cloud storage or an SD card. This will free up the storage. For that, go back to setting again. Now tap on About Device and now tap Storage. From here, you can easily delete large files or move them to cloud storage or an SD card. If nothing works, back up your data and perform a factory reset under Settings. Now simply search for Reset option using the search bar and then tap on Backup and Reset. Tap on Backup and Migrate or simply tap on Reset Phone. Make sure to erase all the data and this will factory reset your device and then fix Android running slow issue. I hope this guide worked. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.